Okay, so today I'm gonna shoot a BB gun.
All right, let's see what we can hit.
So first,
I guess we should really be aiming the camera at your target. I'll hold the end for you.
So I gotta shoot
Aim it,
that
take your time.
and
Look at the target.
Oh, you're way too low.
Got it.
you did not get it.
That's all right.
You got it. Wait. There's no kickback on this right now, but keep it on your shoulder.
You should move it, like over there. No, I know how to do it.
You want to do it without me?
Yes.
All right, here. I'll lead you to it.
Yeah.
Ooh, I think you're too high.
Yes.
Yeah.
Try again. Here, leave it. You leave it on.
Goes. You're way to the right.
Yeah, aim it.
It's way
Whoa! Good job. Good job. You nailed one, dude. Dead center. Yeah.
Woo! Look at Lincoln's perfect form. Ready?